What's up, fellas? It's your boy Frankie M, back again with another video. Alright guys, so I got the Koken 21 mil. Gonna take off the wheel lug nut on this one. Took it off with these. Now when we go to put it back on, you don't want to crank on it too much because you got to torque these. So we'll just start it just enough. It got stuck in there, but that's how I like to do it. Then I'll take my socket off, set that aside. Got my torque wrench. That's it. That's pretty much it, guys. Fits in pretty snug though, but these caps do come in handy because, let me see if I can get this on camera. You can see that it won't damage the wheel. So that's pretty much it, guys. If you guys notice, I took a paint marker. See how clean that looks? Let's take this off. Check that out. Looks nice. I got this off of Koken Trucking. He's the one that did this on a few of his ratchets. Did that, so shout out to Koken. So that's pretty much it, guys. As always, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace.